hold on for a second. Where are the ladies in here, man? Yeah. Hey, hold on, I got a special guest with me. Hold on. I think y'all know the name. He a legend in the city. Hold on, let me bring him my big bro. Jojo! Detroit, what up, girl? What up? Hold on. What the east side up here, man? What the west side at? I see y'all. If you from Detroit, stand up right now, man. Hold on. You from Detroit, stand up, because we started just saying what up, though, and I want y'all to rock with me. We gonna show Diggy. He gonna show us. Welcome to the crib. Let's go. All right, Detroit. On the count of 3, I want the top. All the way up there, I see y'all. What up, though? What up, though? This side, what up, though? I'ma see what side. Be on 10 close right here. 1, 2, 3, go! What up? 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 Hold on, baby. This side. What up? What up? Oh, hold on. Y'all on about 5 right now. What up? What up? Oh, y'all hear that? Let's see what they talking about this. What up? We got it there. What up? What it do? That's for sure. Put everybody in my city set. Yeah, look, I got this new single. I can't show my little bro some love. It's called Shorty What's Your Name featuring Trina. I want y'all to request it on the 106 in Park next month, Detroit. Let's go. Turn it up, hey. Turn it up, hey. Turn it up, hey. Make sure y'all call to request this too. Look. Hey. Look.
She got it in my zone. I'm going back control. I'm smoking on that strong. Show you what you think is I'm gone. Put your number in my iPhone. We didn't move the way home. We smoking all day long. We got my heat on. Run the bed on top of my cash. I wanna be with the swag. Please, won't you bad? Bring back the city back. So I make some on my car. I'm so high and hard. I don't wanna get to the top. Make me tell the beat so hard. Like you open the bar. These niggas getting too hard. Can we get money? No black card. It's a big road. Take that charge. Who's your cut in the foul? They go hands go round. They see me shake it down. Better take my time. They don't know shit. The truth is she know right. I don't see it. She's all the best when I see it. It's all the best when I'm working on time. One thing I think I would happen is bad. Hey, Shorty, what's your Shorty, what's your name? Shorty, what's your name? Shorty, what's your name? Shorty, what's your name? I'm saying now, Shorty, what's your name? Shorty, what's your name? Shorty, what's your name? Shorty, what's your She got me all turned up. What you doing with no hand? She got me all turned up. What you doing with no hand? She got me all turned up. What you doing with no hand? She got me all turned up. What you doing with no hand? Make sure y'all request that for 106 next month. And my girl Al Strong, make sure y'all support him. Detroit, I love y'all in the building, man. Make some more. Hey, hold on. It's two in here. I love y'all.